Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, we are going to solve due to repeated failed attempts or other unusual activity Snapchat error on Android. Thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to know how to fix Snapchat due to repeated failed attempts error with 5 best fixes. Method 1: Wait and try again later. Most probably this error occurs when entering wrong password multiple times. Thus, if have done the same thing, Snapchat may temporarily block access. You have to wait at least 24 hours before trying again to log in, and this time ensure to enter correct password and username. Method 2: Check your internet connection. When you're not able to log into Snapchat and getting repeated failed attempts error, you should check and reconnect to your network. For this, try some tips like: turn off and turn on the mobile data. Switch from mobile data to the Wi-Fi connection. Enable and disable the airplane mode. Method 3: Clear cache and data of Snapchat app. Snapchat has an option to clear the app cache, which is very useful to resolve such error. You can try it to fix this error on Snapchat. To do this, open the Snapchat app. Go to your profile. Choose Settings. Click on the Clear Cache under Accounts Actions. At this time, tap on Continue option to confirm clearing the cache. Method 4: Resetting the password. If you have forgotten your Snapchat account password, then you can use the Forgot Password option to set new password. Snapchat will immediately send a password reset link via SMS or email. Tap on that link to create and set a strong password to regain safe access to your account. Method 5: Update Snapchat app. If you are still facing due to repeated failed attempts or other unusual activity Snapchat error, it can be because of outdated Snapchat version. You should check for the latest updates when you run into trouble. In order to do so, you have to open the Google Play Store. Next, click on the profile icon and select the option Manage Apps and Devices. Now under the Updates section, find the Snapchat and check for any updates available. If found, tap the Update button to update it. So, this is all about how to fix due to repeated failed attempts or other unusual activity Snapchat error. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.